In this final lesson, I want to talk about just a special consideration when monitoring the network using virtualization, specifically Hyper-V. Now, in that last example, I showed a Windows 8 client opening this SMB file from this machine Savdal FS01, which is not the same machine that I'm monitoring from. It's actually a different virtual machine. So here is that client, and the file server is this virtual machine. Now the problem is, even though I'm using promiscuous mode, even though I'm saying capture all the data, on a Hyper-V virtual switch, virtual machines don't actually get sent traffic that is not either from or to them. So it would never see that other traffic, even though it's set to promiscuous mode. To solve this, in Windows Server 2012 Hyper-V, there's a new configuration. If I look at the settings of this virtual machine and I look at the network adapter, under advanced features, I can turn on port mirroring. And I can say this virtual machine is a source for port mirroring. So all of the traffic for its network is also going to be copied somewhere else as well. On the machine that I'm actually running the network monitor on, I set on its network adapter that its mirroring mode is the destination. So all of the traffic that is being sent to FS01 is also sent to DC01, which is why it could capture that SMB traffic when I open the file between two completely separate virtual machines. If this was not enabled, that trace would not work. So for example, I can go ahead and I'll actually turn off this as a destination. So I'm just going to change this to none. Back on that machine, we'll start the capture again. And there's no traffic. I'll open that same file, close it, and there's nothing there. It's not capturing it. Now if I just go back, I don't even have to stop it. I go to my settings. Remember, the other FS01 has already been set as a source. I'm going to change this to destination again. Still nothing there. I'll reopen the file. And now it got it. So you have to set the source for the port mirroring on the machine that you want to capture its traffic, and then destination on the virtual machine running the network monitor. And that's it. That's just that special consideration. And obviously make sure you do still have it set to P mode, or that's not going to work either. So that concludes the lesson on the special monitoring considerations related to network when using virtualization.